Welcome to Osoyoo Model 3 Robot Learning Kit Lesson 4, Don't Touch Me. In this lesson, we will install an ultrasonic sensor on the robot car and program the car to keep some distance of object to move. Step 1, Hardware Installation. Install the smart car basic framework as per lesson 1. Firstly, install servo motor at the front of car chassis with 2 pieces M2.2x8 self-tapping screws. Install ultrasonic module to mount holder with 4 pieces M1.4x8 screw and M1.4 nuts. Install mount holder for ultrasonic module on servo motor with M2x4 self-tapping screw. Install buzzer module on car chassis with 1 PC M3 plastic screw, M3 plastic pillar and M3 plastic nut. Connect ultrasonic module with 5V D3 D2 G&D pins of Osoyoo motor shield V2.0. There is a printer ultrasonic on Osoyoo motor shield V2.0. Connect SG90 servo motor with Osoyoo motor shield V2.0. Connect buzzer module with G&D D13 5V of Osoyoo motor shield V2.0. There is a printer buzzer on Osoyoo motor shield V2.0. Step 2, Software Installation. Open your browser and download Lesson 4 sample code from Osoyoo. Unzip the download zip file lesson4.zip, you will see a folder called Lesson 4. Connect to no R3 board to PC with USB cable. Open Arduino IDE, then click File, then click Open, then choose code lesson4.eno and lesson 4 folder to load the code into Arduino IDE. Choose corresponding board and port for your project, and then click arrow to upload the sketch to your board. Step 3, Ultrasonic Sensor Servo Initial Direction Alignment. After power on the car, you will hear a long beep sound, then the servo will make some movement and finally stops at a direction for a few seconds. Turn off the car, and remove the screw on mount holder for ultrasonic module. Reinstall the screw and make ultrasonic module facing straight forward direction. Step 4, Final Testing. Turn on the car, move object or your hand before ultrasonic module, and then the car will move in some distance of object or your hand. When you close the car will move back, just as it says "Don't touch me." When object or your hand leave the ultrasonic module, the car will stop moving.